I would like to talk a little bit about how you could use this channel. I would suggest for beginners, start by listening to those short chants and watch the videos that I have about my interaction with the youth under the playlist Dharma Youth. Youth Dharma. And from those short chants, you try to chant them daily, and they don't take long, a few minutes. You keep chanting them, and then they'll settle into your mind. You might be even able to memorize them. Then once you be able to memorize them, or when they begin to stay in your mind, you can begin to reflect on them. For example, the shooting star, the first part, like the world is like shooting star. What does that mean? What does the world like a shooting star mean? What does the world like a dream mean? Is it possible to live my life according to this reflection? How do I use them in such a way that I can use them in the right manner? You could reflect on them, and you're welcome to ask questions. I'll be happy to make videos if you have any questions. I think that is good for a start.